The next topic is Hunter-Shreger bands. It is an optical phenomena. Optical phenomena का मतलब होता है कि जब लाइट और टूथ का इंटरेक्शन होता है तो जो चीज़ें दिखती हैं, जो अपीयरेंस होता है, उसे ऑप्टिकल फिनोमेना बोलते हैं. ये क्यों होता है? इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन डायरेक्शन ऑफ रॉड्स of adjacent groups. That means some rods are oriented in some direction and other rods are oriented in other direction. Now we ask why this change is happening. So it is a functional change which takes place to reduce the risk of cleavage or break in axial direction or in the long axis of tooth to avoid the breakage due to the masticatory forces. See, this is the crown and here are the occluding forces that we experience. So to understand this, see, this will be the orientation of the rod, some in this direction and some in this direction. This is to prevent or resist the masticatory forces. For example, we are experiencing masticatory forces in the axial direction. Due to this arrangement, the rods will not separate and we will see no cleavage or break in the enamel. But for example, if the rods are oriented in the same direction as here and here, if the masticatory forces are applied axially here, then there are high chances that this will cleave from one another. Here as well, if we experience force like this, then there are high chances that this will shift or slide and we will experience a break in the enamel.
The Hunter-Shreger bands originate at the dentino-enamel junction and pass outward. They appear as light and dark bands, alternating light and dark bands. This is a picture from Urbans. We can see the dark band, then light band. Now assuming the structure of enamel rods in 3D manner, here we can see two rods that are arranged longitudinally and two almost transversely. There is an angle of 40 degree between them. So when we cut this, some rods will be cut longitudinally, that is this one, that is these ones, and some will be cut transversely, that is these and these. So the prisms or rod that are cut longitudinally are called the diazones and they produce the dark bands. The prisms that are cut transversely are called the parazones and they produce the light band. To make it more clear, let's see this band, how this will be cut in two halves. These will be the two halves of the band. Similarly, this will be cut in a manner. So this is transverse and this is longitudinal.